Hi guys, I am Harshita Jaiswal. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video is all about Pilgrim's video. I'll give Pilgrim's review. So I ordered some of Pilgrim's product. I have this Pilgrim's face wash. So volcanic lava as face wash with Yuduku white lotus all skin types face wash है ये guys. So it cost me 350. 100 ml का है and this is my second bottle of this face wash. I just love using this face wash. Let me show you how it looks from inside. So it looks something like this and the fragrance is amazing guys. I love using this face wash. This face wash is very gentle on skin. Whenever I use, I feel like my skin becomes so soft, so beautiful. So next thing we have this serum, alpha arbutin vitamin C brightening serum with blueberry, all skin types of serum guys. It cost me 650 and 30 ml की ये पूरी bottle है. Let me show you how it looks from inside. So it comes कुछ ऐसा, as you can see guys. This is glass की bottle and with a dropper. A perfect serum for uneven skin tone and dark spot, and the best part of this serum guys, it has no irritation, no side effect. Pilgrims has launched newly 5 serums. First is brightening serum, other one is skin clarifying serum, and then advanced hair growth serum, lift firm serum, anti-acne serum. These are newly launched serum guys from Pilgrims, Secret of Jeju Island, Korea. These all product is from made in India guys. These are free from cruelty, paraben, sulfate, 100% vegan guys. If you guys want to know what is Toxic 20, then I add link in my description box, so you can go and check. As if you want to buy this serum, you can use my coupon code YTHarshita15 to get 15% off in this serum. Next thing we have this day cream, White Lotus Day Cream SPF 50 with Camellia and Yudugu. All skin types of cream hai ye guys, and I love the packaging, which matters me a lot. It cost me 500 and ये 100 grams की cream है guys. Let me show you. So it comes कुछ ऐसा, like इसकी packaging ऐसी है guys. Perfect day cream one can have. So this is cream, and if you invest your money on this cream, so you don't need to invest in sunscreen and foundation. Wait, let me show you why. Because of this. So इसके texture कुछ ऐसा है. I love it. I just love. I will show you how it. Literally ये थोड़ा सा matte finishing है. Amazing guys. Can you see the difference between this hand and this hand?
Moist your face and neck. Take a coin size of face wash on your palm and massage on the face in circular motions for 30 to 60 seconds. Rinse with water and pat dry. Face wash is very gentle on the skin and I use it in the morning as well as before going to bed. It cleanses the face and make me feel refreshed. Along with dry, it smells amazing. Apply 3 or 5 drops to clean and dry skin before using any moisturizer and oil. Spread gently across the face and neck with your fingertips. Do not massage it. A powerful serum to reclaim your complexion. Alpha arbutin fights hyperpigmentation. Vitamin C combats damage causing free radicals. Blueberry extracts supply the skin with nutrients that keep aging at bay. Tap gently all over clean face and neck. Massage in upward-outward motion till the creme is absorbed fully. Get ready to face sun and glow.